Welcome to the best picks. The best propane conversion kit is probably one of the most transformative upgrades you can make to your kitchen, seamlessly switching your natural gas stove to propane and unlocking a world of convenience, especially if you live in an area with limited natural gas access or prefer the cost-effectiveness and reliability of propane. This detailed review will walk you through everything you need to know before buying one, helping you make an informed decision and avoid potential pitfalls. Number 5. GRLP4 LP Gas Conversion Kit. This conversion kit fits many gas stoves, including Frigidaire, Electrolux, and Kenmore models. It's designed for a wide range of freestanding gas ranges and cooktops. Everything you need is included: 12 orifices, installation instructions, and a gas type label. It's a comprehensive and easy-to-use kit. It's made from 100% pure brass for durability and reliable performance. This ensures a long-lasting and safe conversion. It's a functional equivalent to many existing parts, including those with numbers like 3185654272, 2319698, and others. It's a simple solution for your conversion needs. Each orifice has a numerical code for easy identification and correct installation. This ensures a safe and proper conversion process. This kit makes converting your appliance from natural gas to propane simple and straightforward. Follow the instructions for a safe and effective conversion. What we like. It has all necessary parts for conversion. The pure brass material ensures durability. If you need a complete kit with clear instructions, this is the one for you. What people say. Various sizes to choose from. My stove was burning black until I bought a set of these. Had orifices that were needed to convert to LP. Easy to change over. Easy directions to transition from natural gas to propane. Number 4. GRLP4 LP Conversion Kit. This kit easily converts your gas range from natural gas to liquefied petroleum gas. It's a simple solution for using a different fuel source. It fits many models from Frigidaire, Electrolux, and Kenmore. Check your model number to ensure compatibility before ordering. The kit includes 12 precisely sized orifices, installation instructions, and a gas type label. Everything you need for a smooth conversion. It's made from 100% pure brass, built to last for over a decade. This ensures reliable performance and longevity. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included instructions. You'll have your range converted in no time. Get the best value with this high-quality LP conversion kit. It's the most affordable option without compromising on quality. Always double-check your appliance's model number before purchasing to ensure compatibility. This step is crucial for a successful conversion. What we like. It's compatible with many models. This is made of high-quality brass for a long lifespan. If you are looking for a budget-friendly, yet reliable option, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Switching house from natural gas to propane. Had to convert the kitchen stove. Very easy to use. Stove works great. Used to convert a natural gas stove to propane. Extra jets great package. The nozzles did the job and I was able to convert the stove over to propane successfully. The actual quality of the nozzles seem good quality and the stove works well under propane now. Number 3. MCAMPAS 36 PCS LP Gas Conversion Kit. This kit makes converting your stove to propane or natural gas simple and efficient. It's compatible with many popular brands, so you can easily switch fuel types. You get 36 brass nozzles in a variety of sizes to ensure a perfect fit for your stove's burners. This comprehensive kit has everything you need. Each nozzle is precision engineered for optimal gas flow and efficient combustion. Enjoy consistent and reliable performance with every use. It works with many major appliance brands, including Frigidaire, Kenmore, and Electrolux. Check the compatibility list to see if it fits your stove. The standard M6X 0.75 thread ensures easy installation. Simply replace your old nozzles with these and you're ready to go. The kit includes 11 different orifice sizes, 0.3 mm to 1.9 mm, ensuring a perfect match for your specific burner. This guarantees optimal performance. What we like. It offers a wide variety of orifice sizes. This kit is compatible with numerous brands and models. If you have an unusual setup or need many options, this is your best bet. What people say. We got a new Samsung high-end stove with the center oval burner. We found out that center burner puts out a very small flame. It wasn't even hot enough to bubble gravy in a roasting pan. Pancakes on a griddle never cooked. After spending hours on the phone, even sent pictures, with Samsung, they were no help. They sent me a new cover plate. My wife wanted to send the oven back. I noticed the orifice under the cover was the same size as the smallest burners. I was going to drill out the orifice, but I got this set and put the biggest one, the same size as the big burner, in, and wow, that we now have a center burner that is usable as it should be. Converting an awesome Weber Genesis 2 grill from NG to LP, I tried another product but it did not work because it restricted the pressure too much. Tried this product with a variety of options and I was able to find just the right size fit that I needed. We'll have additional orifices in stock for when I need it or a neighbor or friend might want to convert to from NG LP. My original NG was 1.55 sized, I ended up installing a 0.9 size to make the flame just the right size for my grill. I was converting our new stove to LP and lost one of the factory supplied orifices. I couldn't find just that one at the size I needed available from anyone, but this kit was not too expensive, had the size I needed, and now I have spares for any future projects. Happy with the results. Number 2. Samsung Gas Range Conversion Kit. This kit makes converting your gas range between natural gas and LP gas a breeze. It's designed for a seamless transition, ensuring your range continues to function perfectly. You'll receive 7 conversion kits and easy-to-follow installation instructions in a package. Everything you need for a successful conversion is right here. It's made from high-quality brass, built to resist corrosion and provide years of reliable service. This ensures long-lasting performance and peace of mind. This kit contains the essential orifices needed to switch your stove from natural gas to LP gas or vice versa. It's a simple yet effective solution for your gas range. While it's designed for straightforward installation, professional installation is always recommended. This minimizes the risk of accidents and ensures everything is done correctly. This kit is compatible with a range of Samsung gas ranges, including models NX58H5600SSAA00, NX58F5700WSAA03, NX58H5600SSAA01, NX58J5600SGAA00, NX58R5601SSAA00, and NX58R5601SGAA00. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. What we like. It comes with multiple conversion kits. The brass material ensures durability and longevity. If you value convenience and a simple installation process, this is a great choice. What people say. Perfect fit to our Whirlpool gas range. Swapped my stove from into propane and it worked great. It was exact fit for my gas range. Number 1. Samsung Range Cooktop Conversion Kit. Switching from propane to natural gas in your Samsung range. This kit makes it simple. It's custom-made for a perfect fit. No need to guess. It comes pre-drilled and ready to install. Everything is precisely made for your specific model. You get the exact number of orifices you need. Each one is individually bagged and labeled for easy installation. It's not just the cooktop. It includes orifices for both the bake and broil functions of your oven, ensuring complete conversion. With clear labeling and the right parts, installation is a breeze. Get back to cooking with natural gas quickly. Everything you need is included in one convenient kit. No need to source parts separately. What we like. It's tailored to your specific model. Each orifice is clearly labeled for easy installation. If you need a precise and easy-to-install kit, this is the one. What people say. It did an amazing job at it. I have a proper working stove now. Everything came in bags labeled for each burner with output ratings. I double-checked the outputs and everyone's was right. They were all labeled as to which one went where, and I love that part. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.